In this video, I'll be going over the top 6 Christmas gifts for her. What's going on YouTube? I'm Trey and this is the Common Advisor, and in this video I'll be going over the top 6 Christmas gifts for her. Before we begin, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and for my new guys, what's up, what's going on? Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of this fire content. So if you've been keeping up with my channel, you notice that I put out a video, top 6 Christmas gifts for him, but this one is for the ladies. All right, so if you haven't seen the top 6 Christmas gifts for him, I'll put a link below, and I'll also put a link in the video so you can just smoothly go straight to it. Rolling in at number 6 are candles. Candles are a great gift for any woman because they're universal, they help set the mood, and they make the room smell awesome. Make sure you get a good quality candle because you want a candle that's going to burn long and smell good while it's burning. My suggestion is to either go to the link below at a candle that I've linked already, or go to Bath and Body Works. They have great candles that last for a long time. They're great quality and they have some awesome scents. Coming in at number 5 is a refillable spray atomizer. Now this one I kind of cheated on a little bit because you can have this for a great gift for her and also a great gift for him. So I'll explain what I mean about that. So if you've been on the internet, you've seen this thing called Scentbird. And Scentbird essentially sends you a new scent or a new perfume or cologne every month, but they also give you this thing called an atomizer. So pretty much all it is a vial that you put your favorite scent in. But what I'm doing, I'm showing you a link where you can get your own atomizer and use the scents that you already have. This is a great gift for any woman because now she can get the big bottles that she have, fill up the spray atomizer with it, and it's very simple. You just pretty much just hook it up to your bottle, and it goes in through the bottom, and she can put it in her pocket, a pocketbook, have a couple in her car. And then for my guys, they come in a pack of 10, so you know you can give her all the rest of them and keep one for yourself. Number 4 is a Towel Pro Series. Towel is essentially a device that helps you find or keep over items. At number 4, we have the Towel Pro Series. Towel is a great gift for women because it helps them keep over the keys, their pocketbook, their phone. Something I like about Towel is if you have a towel connected to your key, and Towel is nothing essentially but like a block, but it has Bluetooth and GPS technology where you can keep up with things. So if you hit the Towel button on your keys, it'll make your phone ring even when it's on silent, so you'll never lose your phone again. And vice versa, if you have a towel connected to the back of your phone and you lose your keys, you can do the same thing. Hit the Towel button and it'll start ringing, and then you'll find your keys. Coming in at number 3 are boots. Just like a pair of heels, every lady needs a good pair of boots during the winter. Boots can be classy, they can be dressed down to be casual, or they can just be something that you're lounging around with today. You just want to slip on something real quick. Get a nice pair of boots for a lady, keep her feet warm, they look stylish, they look good. And your lady will thank you for the boots if you don't already have some, because it's just a great gift that you can get any woman during this season. Alright guys, look, I don't know what happened with my video and my audio. It just went out, so we're gonna keep on pressing on with this video. I gotta put out this content. So we stopped at number 3, so let's get into number 2. So number 2 would be a gift card. Now gift cards are great because it shows that you paid attention to what she likes. So you can give a gift card to a boutique, a salon, or a store. And the great thing about gift cards, most of the time they get lost in the sauce. So you know, when she's there, she's about to pull out her money, but she sees the gift card, she's like, hey, so-and-so bought me this gift card. So it's a great gift that keeps giving. I think you should really invest in those. You can get a lot of them, set the price point, and just give them out. Alright, so if you stayed to the end of this video, like I promised, I'm giving the number 1 gift that's across the board great on Amazon. It's being showed up on ads on Facebook, on YouTube, and that's a facial steamer. Now, I would advise you strongly to get your facial steamer right now during the season. Get the link below, go ahead and get it, because right now the price point is between $20, maybe $35, $40. But Google Trend is showing that facial steamers are really catching traction, especially here in the US. If you're in here in the US, for my subscribers outside the US, I'm not sure about the price point, but here in the US, that's the price point, but they're going up. So it's going to be maybe in a few months, it's going to be around about $30 to like $50, $60. That's gonna be the price range. So I advise you to get one now if you're a lady. And you know, for my guys trying to shop for your girl, your wife, get one for her. She'll greatly appreciate it, because also, if you've seen on social media, these Aztec masks are really booming right now. So you pair that with the facial steamer, and that's the big combo. So people are gonna start selling these things for high. So I advise you to go and get one now. That's the #1 product. I'm gonna try to keep this video short. I'm gonna go ahead and go. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Comment below. Let me know about any kind of gifts that you think that should be on this list as far as top gifts for women for the 2018 season. If you like this video and you're new and you stay to the end, make sure you subscribe. I'm delivering content like this, and I promise you I'm gonna get this issue fixed with the camera and the microphone. But until next time, remember, you are royalty.